Maya embroidery machine has been committed to improving people's life quality by creating personalized, environment-friendly, healthy and comfortable embroidery application products. It has made its own share of contribution in building the harmonious society and then embroider a beautiful life. We Maya adhere to the core value featured by honesty, respect, cooperation, and creativity. And now we have risen a high-tech enterprise group, integrating technology development, producing and manufacturing, as well as sales and services after more than 10 years of persistent efforts. We are embroidery machine providers with the widest range of models and the most extensive applications in the country, providing technological and product solutions to terminal users from more than 70 countries and regions in the world. Precision rack processing factory of 20,000 square meters, special embroidery factory of 20,000 square meters, ultra-long high-speed embroidery factory of 30,000 square meters, high-precision ultra-high-speed embroidery factory of 10,000 square plus 6 professional plants of Ruzhou division will be fully built into a manufacturing center with production capacity of 3,000 sets special embroidery, 3,000 sets flat embroidery, and 1,000 sets precision high-speed machines, in a position to provide customers with professional, punctual application solutions and guarantee for services, among which Zhejiang Maya Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Creation Park, with a newly built 80,000 square meters, has been regarded as a key project of Zhejiang. With occupational technology R&D crew, professional distribution of labor, Maya Technology R&D Center has developed an integrated mechatronics research ranging from 3D modeling to material analysis, part detection, and assembly application. Besides, it has obtained more than 30 items of invention patents and new type practical patents. Quality originates from strict quality management system. The company has passed ISO 9000, the European Union CE, and a number of domestic and foreign systematic certification, scrutinized by more than 20 processes of strict quality control with specialized testing equipment, covering IQC, IPQC, OQC, and QA. It is equipped with automatic, high-precision production and processing equipment, perfect process flow, professional division of labor, modular assembly process, a professional staff team, a comprehensive application in the rack welding molding, precision machining rack, precision parts manufacturing, and complete machine assembly. The warehouse and logistics in one center and supporting facilities of nearly 3,000 square meters provide Maya with punctual, precision products and service guarantee. 5 integrated management and control centers, financial center, sales center, manufacturing center, human resource center, and technological center have fueled the healthy and sustainable development of the company, providing considerate services to staff, clients, and partners. Maya embroidery machine has been widely used in many fields such as culture, art, fashionable clothes, home furnishing, wedding dress, and other fields. Has realized a brand new transmission structure, running at high stable speed of 1,200. The cam applies a new design with double H-axis servo motor. High-speed channel combination embroidery can be freely matched. Channel plus flat embroidery plus sequin combination. Channel plus flat embroidery plus simple quilting embroidery combination. Channel plus flat embroidery plus bead combination. High-speed ultra multi-head flat embroidery utilizes single cam drive design with high production efficiency and outstanding muting effect. It is high in transmission precision and accurate in color change. The balanced fuel system for 0.1 milliliters each time can bring about intelligent experiences. Ultra-high-speed flat embroidery has applied ultra-high-speed head structure system of 1,300 round per minute, as well as professional screw rod color change and semi-static trimming system. 2017 New R&D Full Servo High-Speed Cap Embroidery. LM single head machine is practical, extensively applicable with embroidery of high precision. High-speed taping combination embroidery has applied imported encoder, spray lubrication system, automatic lock cylinder system, and laser cutting combination in a position to provide high quality and high precision embroidery. The market network spans from China, India, Korea, Egypt, Pakistan, Turkey to the United States, Brazil, Algeria, Russia, Germany, Argentina, Dubai, Vietnam, the Philippines, Morocco, and more than 70 countries and regions. Complete service system before sales, during the sales, and after sales, providing an all-round solution for products and services. Maya has been committed themselves to giving out embroidery application products featured by personality, environment friendliness, health and comfort, taking product innovation as the driving force. We rely ourselves on quality and strive to prosper based on quality. By sticking to the spirit of craftsmanship, we aspire to open a new chapter of intelligence making of Maya with quality, precision products and services, known as the industry leader in application solutions of embroidery machines.